How to make dumplings. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, ½ cup warm water, ½ cup ground meat, pork, beef, or chicken, 1/4 cup finely chopped cabbage, 1/4 cup finely chopped carrots, 1/4 cup finely chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, salt and pepper to taste. Additional water or flour as needed. Instructions: in a large mixing bowl, combine the flour and warm water. Knead the mixture until it forms a smooth dough. If the dough is too dry, add a little more water. If it's too sticky, add a little more flour. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. In a separate mixing bowl, combine the ground meat, cabbage, carrots, onion, garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, and pepper. Mix well. Divide the dough into small balls, about 1 inch in diameter. Roll each ball of dough out into a thin circle, about 3 inches in diameter. Place a spoonful of the meat mixture in the center of each dough circle. Fold the dough over the filling, pinching the edges to seal the dumpling. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Gently drop the dumplings into the boiling water. Cook the dumplings for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they float to the surface. Remove the dumplings with a slotted spoon and serve with soy sauce or your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy your homemade dumplings.